Not every car on IAA comes with an auto check report. However, using this simple life hack, you can obtain it for any vehicle of your choice. With the report, you will get access to such information as the last odometer reading reported, how many owners the car had, as well as the complete accident history. The first step is to find a car that does come with a report. Usually this will be a more modern car. So for example, let's choose an M4. In the new tab, open the car that you're interested in that does not come with the report check. Make sure that the car that does have the report check is open in your other tab. After that, go back to the car that you want to get a report for, reload the tab, and then go back to the car that does have the report and click on View Report. And this is where the glitch happens. And there you go, now you have the report for the 2005 BMW M3. And here is all the info you need to know, such as the last odometer readings. Thank you for watching this video, like and comment, consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.